Nobody likes cleaning. But if you're here, means that you're looking for a mopping device for cleaning your house. And this one that this brand sent to me for this video, this mop ready bucket, this 35 quarts mop ready bucket, I guarantee that is going to be a really huge help for your daily cleaning or your cleaning, or if you're working in the cleaning business or something like that. This one, which by the way, it is extensible. You can actually shorten it if you need, or make it a larger if you also need. It comes with not one but two. It comes with a replacement right here. And by the way, once you put this one in the bucket, it comes with a holder, so you can actually rest assured that you can move this one around. And when I'm saying move this one around, check this out. Yes, it has wheels, so you can move it around 100%. So let's check it out on a closer look, because I think you're gonna like this. Well, again, the first thing, yeah, it comes with the wheels. Second, you have this for holding the actual broom. With this one, you also have the replacement, which you're going to put apart and just right now. And also this one, besides having the presser, you're going to see this one in just a little bit. It also comes with a handle. And by the way, it also comes with this to actually empty it if you need. So, by the way, this one is not going to actually let loose because it has some really, really big clamps that you're going to adjust. With the silicone wheels, this won't scratch your floor. But check this out. I think this is going to be the most important part. Let's say that we need to clean this area right here. I'm going to put a lot of water right there. And what we're going to do, so first of all, yeah, you already know how to do this. So you're going to be mopping this, okay? You're going to be mopping this section. And once we have this one ready, what we're going to do, we're going to drop a little bit more of water right here, okay? Right now, in just a few seconds, we're going to drop a little bit of more water so we can actually have this one, you know, if you're going to be like mopping this entire area or something like that, you want this one to be like really, really, really wet. So let's say that we're finished mopping all this area right here. And once we are done, let's say that we're done with this, what we're going to do is we're going to put it right here in the presser. What we're going to do is, check this out. So now we squeeze it up to the top and we squeeze it back in, and one more, we squeeze it back in. So we have all that water going inside of the bucket instead of being on the actual mopping. And once that we are done with that, once that we squeeze all the water, we are going to check this out. Okay, so it's not that I have a ton of water because that was just a test, but once you're done with this, what you're going to do is you're going to uncap this and check this out. 3, 2, 1, push this, and that's it. You don't even need to actually clean this one because it is on an incline, so we'll keep pushing the water all the way through this hose and you don't have to do anything else. I'm telling you, I guarantee that you're gonna really, really like this mopping ready bucket.